Hey everyone, this is Mason from FilterGrade. When it comes to creating social media graphics, the App Store has a massive amount of options. Today I'm going to show you our top 5 iPhone apps for adding stickers and text to images, so you can make awesome Instagram stories, Facebook image posts, and more. Canva is a popular mobile and desktop social media image creator, and for good reason. You can create images totally from scratch with images and text, or you can just add text to an image you already have. Canva is great because you can create graphics for pretty much anything and create social media stories. Plus, it has a bunch of presets and templates. As of the time of recording, it has 4.9 stars with 329,000 ratings. Fotor comes with a lot of photo editing features, but also has weekly updated stickers. You can also create collages and sell your photos through the app. The stickers range from icons, professional vectors, and cute characters, so you'll be sure to find something to enhance your images. As of the time of recording, it has 4.8 stars with 14,000 ratings. Line Camera is a free photo editing app featuring over 5,000 stickers, including popular characters and stamps drawn by famous illustrators. It also features frames, fonts, filters, and the ability to add your own custom stickers. As of the time of recording, it has 4.7 stars with 4,100 ratings. Photo Editor features plenty of photo editing capabilities, filters, and more, but it also comes with the ability to add custom text and stickers. They feature a wide variety of fonts with various text editing effects. New stickers are added regularly, so there should always be something to work with. As of the time of recording, it has 4.7 stars with 32,000 ratings. Of course, sometimes the apps you're posting on have their own stickers and text options. Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook Messenger have a variety of text colors and types, as well as plenty of stickers. The stickers can also be interactive with location-based widgets and voting buttons, which doesn't always work from other third-party apps. If you're just using static text or images, you can also save the new image to your phone to share elsewhere. Those are our top 5 iPhone apps for adding stickers and text to photos. If there's another one that you use, please let us know about it in the comments below and let us know what's so great about it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit filtergrade.com today.